Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited that today I will be showing you how to do simple pipe and drape, or terminology, a simple backdrop for any event, because so many people don't know exactly what they need or exactly how to do it. So I will demonstrate to you how I do one by myself, and then I will show you the final room reveal. I am so excited. A little nervous because I like to do stuff behind scenes, but I'm actually on camera today. So let's get started. So the things you will need crossbars, uprights, bases, and panels. So right here I have an adjustable upright. It goes up and down to different heights. And the good thing about this one, which I'm going to show you momentarily, is that it actually has the dimensions on the crossbar. So as you can see right here, it has like 10 feet, 8 feet, 9 feet. So you'll know exactly the height that you're going to. So you will need 2 of these with every backdrop. And here I am placing my second one. Also, now this is called a crossbar. This is what the fabric is going to go on. And a lot of times when and it has the little hooks on the end, and it'll hook in the top of the uprights. And a lot of times when I'm doing a room or I'm doing any drapery, I always start with measuring with my crossbar. Today I was a little complex. I had a lot going on, but now right here in my hand, I have a base. You will need 2 of those for this particular backdrop. They help support and hold the upright up. So you will need 2 bases as stated before. And so now I am lining up the base with the crossbar so they will match up once I put the upright on top of the base, so the measurements line up. So that's what I'm doing right now, is just adjusting and making sure that everything is lined up and it matches. So you want to make sure that your crossbar touches the base, the pin of the base, that's the part that's standing up, on both sides. So the measurements are perfect. So you won't be off on measuring. And then you put the uprights on top of the pins. That's the part that's standing up on the base. So next you will need panels. For a backdrop, a simple backdrop, you might need anywhere from 3 to 4 panels depending on what you're doing and the sizing. But on this particular one, I'm only using 4. They have pockets on the top of them, and some of them have top pockets on the bottom. And that's what I'm doing right now. I am just sliding the panel onto the crossbar. And once again, you'll need maybe 3 or 4 panels for the crossbar for a backdrop. And I'm going to repeat the process 4 more times, as you will see. just lifted the upright and I'm connecting it to the crossbar. And I'm doing this without a ladder. It may be very helpful to have a ladder with you, especially if you're in the learning stages. So now I am just spreading the fabric out on the crossbar, making sure it looks nice and pretty, and it's just yeah, nice and pretty. So just spread it out and pleat it, and there we go. So for a more polished look, I like to take another panel and put it through on a zip tie and hook it together and put it on the ends of my upright to hide the poles to make it look more polished and clean. So here's the finished look. We don't see any mechanics, but now I'm going to show you the room reveal. Welcome to Mercedes' baby shower. This was a we can barely wait theme. It has an entire room drape, also with a focal wall. These balloon bear centerpieces. Yes, this balloon wall and letter marquee focal piece was everything. This was the welcome area. And thanks again for watching my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. And if there's anything you would like for me to do a video on, please let me know in the comments below. And until next time, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be you. Have a great one.